Presenting the Vivo V70 Elite, equipped with the ZEISS Triple Camera System. Experience unmatched clarity with the ultra-clear AMOLED display, 459 ppi sharpness, ultra-fluid 120 Hz motion, and up to 5,000 nits brilliance. Every detail, alive. Powered by Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 with advanced 4nm processing, delivering lightning-fast response and ultra-smooth multitasking. With LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.1 storage, apps launch instantly, and every touch feels seamless. Speed you don't see, but always feel. 6,500 mAh BlueVolt battery for marathon gaming and all-day power. And with ultra-fast 90 watts FlashCharge, you're back to full speed in minutes. Featuring a 50-megapixel ZEISS group selfie camera delivers stunning front clarity, joined by a 50-megapixel ZEISS OIS main camera with a flagship sensor, a 50-megapixel night telephoto with 3x optical and up to 100x zoom, and a ZEISS ultra-wide-angle for capturing more in every frame. Immersive edge-to-edge display, designed for a seamless and expansive viewing experience. IP68 and IP69 rated for top-grade dust and water resistance. From spills to rain and dust, it's built to handle it all. Origin OS 6. Smarter, safer, smoother, and better connected. Engineered for power, designed for elegance. Only V70 Elite. Thanks for watching. The Vivo V70 Elite is just a click away. Link in below if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Motivator's Mind, where tech meets power.